Which of the following statements is true about figures in space? First, a line and a plane could have no points in common. That is absolutely true. And let me see if I can draw a picture to convince you. If you were to have a plane, if you imagine a plane lying flat on your desk, and then a line kind of parallel to that plane going above your desk, that plane and line would never touch. Number two, a line and a plane could have 1 point in common. That is true as well. All you would have to do is take our previous drawing and tilt that line so that rather than going along above the plane, that it would actually intersect that plane and go below it. So that's true as well. Question C, a line and a plane could have an infinite number of points in common. This is also true. A line would consider to have infinite points in common with a plane if that line were to actually be on that plane. Now, of course, the plane and the line continue on forever in these directions, but every green point would also be on that red plane. Question D, two distinct planes could have no points in common. That's also true. If you were to imagine two planes like the ceiling in this room and the floor in this room, again, they extend forever. Well, not in the room, but in theory, the ceiling and the floor would extend forever, never touching or never intersecting. The final question, two planes could have a line in common. This would be if you were to have like our floor, and then you were to have one of the walls in the room. So let's say that wall is a vertical wall, and then this would actually intersect the plane of our floor at this dotted line. So that line would be considered to be the intersection of this plane, the vertical plane, and the horizontal plane.